Welcome to the video. Today we're looking at Helldivers 2 with my custom PC build. That's the computer for the start. Alright, we just got this new screen which we're running in 4K, AMD 7900 XTX. Everything is on max. High, ultra high. Only thing is on the vegetation and rubble density. Yeah, so that is Helldivers 2. Looking good up there with frames about 87 at the moment. These are the temperatures where I was playing before. The junction temperature hotspot gets up to around 96. Water temperature here in New Zealand today, 30 degrees. But this is the build. So first, the water comes out of the tank, into the pump, out of the pump, out of here, up and down through this radiator, which is cooled on the front by 4 fans. Comes out of the radiator, back into the tank, up through here, up into the graphics card, all through the graphics card, 7900 XTX, out of the graphics card, up and through here, into the RAM, water cooling the RAM. Don't even know how I got this part. Thank you Iceman coolers, and that came from China. Also again, Iceman direct die CPU cooler comes out of there into the water quality temperature by Aqua Computer, through there up into the top tank radiator. Again, biggest radiators you can get, 380s max width. Goes through those 3 fans, out of here again, and then back into the tank. These gold plated plugs there for maintenance. So that's the setup we're running.